My name is Mario Vargas. I'm the manager of product development tool sales for PADT, and this will be a how-to series on the various products that we represent for Stratasys, beginning with the uPrint, the desktop device, to the workgroup dimension devices, and the direct digital manufacturing Fortis devices. Today will be a how-to on loading and unloading the material for the uPrint desktop. Okay, so we're going to unload the material here, and you're going to look at the display, and you'll see where it says load material. You'll push that, and then it'll ask you which material you're going to unload, the support or the model material. In this case, we're going to do both, so we'll say yes on the model and then yes again on the support, and we're going to wait till the head heats up so that you're able to unload the material. So we waited about a minute, 2 minutes. You can, kind of step away and then come back. It'll give you a retry. So when you hit retry, it's going to allow you to remove the cartridges. So you just push them in and then allow you to release. And you lightly just pull the material out, just like that. And you're not going to pull the material, push the material in. You're just going to snip it right off. So here you see the material carriers. What you want to do is snip off. You don't want to wind those back in there because it's already recorded those as this material is being used. Unhook these latches just like so. Same thing here. There's a little red locking mechanism. You want to push up on that, and then that allows that to release. You open up the carrier, and then your spool will come out just like so. It'll come with this sensor that you lock into place here if you want to store it for later use. Make sure you just pop that in place here just like so and lock that in. These little grooves. Okay, what we see here are the cartridges P400 SR, and it'll say the soluble support. You'll know that that's for soluble. And then of course the model material will say P430 ABS model material. Each material spool will have a little device here, a little sensor. Again, this will tell the printer how much material is being used, how much is left in the cartridge, in the spool. So to load it, you're just going to lay it down on there, and you know that this is the model material. Several reasons. One, it has a red sensor, it has an M on it, and then the carrier has the red piece on here. So just lay that in there, and then you're going to lay this sensor right in there just like that. Closing it, you're going to just do the same thing you did by unlatching it. You latch it just like that, and then you leave a little piece out like that, and you're ready. This is ready to load. Okay, we're going to load the material, and the first thing you want to do is you're going to push load material on your display here. You're going to open up these doors. You saw that, pushing them in. And then you'll know that the M is the model material, and will show up here as model. And you're going to lay those in here like so. And same thing with the support material. Again, you'll see S for support and S down here for support. You're going to lay those in there just like so. And you're going to wait. You're going to wait maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes. You'll hear a little clicking noise. And again, you're going to push those in just like so. And then at the display here, you're going to see two options, load and replace. You're going to hit load. And the first material is going to be the model material. So I'll hit load there. It's going to move the head forward to allow for a direct path of that material to the head. You'll kind of hear it, the spool, pulling the material through. Now we're going to load the support material. So you'll see there it says support. So we're going to push load support. It's done loading both materials, and you'll see where it says 100% model, 100% support. You get to put your model base in. You'll be able to open the door and then slide this model base right in place, lock them in, close the door. I hope you enjoyed our segment on the how-to of loading and unloading the material from the uPrint desktop, and we'll see you again.